Hi guys, so today we are going to cook some soup because somebody is craving for my soup. So right now we're gonna be sauteing our spices. So we put garlic, onions, and we have peppers there, and we have, can you see that? Ginger, peppers. So those are gonna be our spices. So our soup is gonna have carrots, gonna have potatoes, we also have eggs, noodles, we already tenderized our noodles, broccoli and bok choy, and I also have my breast chicken here that I already pressure cooked. So I'm gonna be shredding that here in a bit. It's almost done. This is like another 40 minutes. So, and right now we're gonna be cooking our spices. I will let you know later. So when this is done. Now we just added our bok choy and our broccoli. So when I cook vegetables, I don't want my vegetables to be really tender. I want them to have like a little crunchy, especially my potato, just a little bit. I don't want it to be too tender, especially on also my carrots and my broccoli. So it's just have a little crisp to them. I like them that way. Okay, so we're gonna wait maybe like a minute or two. Alright, so here is our shredded chicken, and then here is our chicken broth. We're going to add this chicken broth later. And here's our mix of vegetables. So we're going to put our chicken. Here's our chicken. So I cooked this in the pressure cooker, guys, and then it's tender now, and then I'm going to add this chicken. I'm gonna add them together, and then we're gonna add the broth. My thing is very hot. I need to find a pot holder. So now we're gonna put the broth. So my broth has onions, ginger, and garlic. So here's the broth. I don't think I have enough broth there, so I'm actually going to add some more water here. But at least, so that broth, that's the broth from the chicken when I cooked it in the pressure cooker. So I'm going to add more water in this one, right? Here it is. I just added water, and we are going to let it boil. And after that, we are going to add our eggs, and we're going to add the noodles last, since the noodles is already tenderized. So when I tenderize the noodles, I soak it with a cold water because it will actually continue cooking if you don't, and it will get really mushy, and I don't like that. So I soak it with cold water. Sometimes I actually put ice on them to stop the cooking. So we're gonna let this boil. Okay. All right, guys, that is the soup. I actually put a little bit of pepper there, so it gives a little flavor. Yes. So I added already the eggs there and the macaroni noodles, the elbow noodles, however you're gonna call it. So go, and I'm going to taste it. Get my spoon. All right, we're tasting it. So good. So we're gonna bring it to another boil and then we'll serve it. See? Looks good. Let it boil one more time and then our soup is ready. And this is the result of my soup. And I have already one customer.
It's hot.
How is it tasting, mister?
I can't taste it. It's too hot.
Taste it now.
I'm going to burn my mouth.
Because I'm asking you, how is it tasting?
It smells good.
Smells good?
Mmm. That's really good.
There you go.
I love it.
All right. Is it 5-star?
Of course it's 5-star. What are you asking me that question for? That's a silly question. If I said it was 4.5 stars, I might not wake up in the morning. We do live in the same house, you know.
Yeah. So, does that mean it's bad then?
No, it's great. It is. It's really good.
Okay.
It's excellent.